We got the locking nuts loose. Now we're going to remove the tie rod end. Remove the cotter pin and remove this bolt and nut, and you can just lift up on it and the bolt will just slide right out of it. I found that to get to the inner tie rod end, it's easier to get on the other side. The oil reservoir kind of blocks it on that side, so a lot more room on the right side. Get in there, remove the bolt and the nut, and then the whole tie rod assembly, tie rod ends are able to slide right out of there. Once you have it out, we need to replace these worn out tie rod ends. You'll notice that one has reverse threads on it. One will thread on, one won't. So just make sure you put it on there. Now you can count the threads or kind of put it back to that locking nut. Once you're all done, you're going to have to realign it just to be on the safe side. Make sure it's nice and straight going down the road. Once you have both ends put on, greased up, make sure those locking nuts will turn. So once you're all done, you can adjust the toe. Just slide them all back in. This kit came with some fresh washers and one bolt. The inner tie rod, for some reason this kit didn't come with a bolt. When you do put that on, I would recommend adding some Loctite, just so it keeps it nice and tight and you don't have to worry about it working its way loose. Each kit might be a little different. Now this one came with 3 washers, one on top, one in between the knuckle and the tie rod end, and then one underneath where the nut goes. Some of the one that was on there did not have 3, it only had 2. Tighten everything back up, put your cotter pin through, and then you should be good to go. We got both sides snugged up. Now we're going to go back and make sure the little locking nuts are tight. Then we can take the quad down the road and see if the alignment is a little bit off. You can even look at the front end of the quad and see if the toe's out, and you can adjust it accordingly. But yeah, other than that, we should be good to go. And if you guys have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to leave them in the comment section. Remember, God bless.